y'all! So today's video is the past 2 days of me and Queen Autumn, Woody Potty Pants, where, thank you darling, where we spent the 2 days hanging out because it's been nothing but raining here and quite miserable. So it's been a little chilly, a little rainy. You know, we did some puzzles.
100 pieces one.
Star Wars puzzle. We did again? We did Uno. We made bracelets. Mine broke twice. 2 times I made 2 different bracelets and they broke both times.
And she was dumb. She was dumb.
Autumn made a necklace.
I love under.
Lily
Fell asleep.
had a hard time and then she fell asleep. She had a breakdown and then she fell asleep. PJ, I don't know what he was doing. Zachary was taking a nap. Anyway. So here's some stuff from the past days. Oh, and we are obsessed with the show Are You the One on MTV.
Oh, yeah.
That is our favorite show. We love that show. And today we watched a very sad episode and we cried, and you'll see that on the video because Andre and Taylor went in the truth booth and they were not a match, and it's some bullshit because they are a match. They need to be together. That is true love right there. True love. It's seriously true love. Okay, but whatever. They're going to play the game and then they're going to be together after. In a year from now, we're going to hear they're like having a baby or something. Anyway, so as for Nick, he is still in the UK.
He did not die.
He did not die. He didn't get married. He didn't do any of that craziness. I'm sure he did other craziness. But oh my God, he saw Drake last night.
I think he said he was. I think he liked me. I think he said he was in England. I think he
No,
liked
he
me.
is.
Oh, he is?
Yes, he is.
Oh.
Cheerio.
Here we go, my friend.
Yeah, so he was in LA for a few days and now he's in the UK and then he's going back to LA for a day and then he'll be home. He'll be home March 4th. I'm wearing his shirt today because, yes, I still miss him. So he's having a very good time with Nicole and Miss Bonnie, the most beautifulest queen ever. So yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted on how everything's going, and I hope you enjoy our video of our past 2 days.
We eat Popeyes.
Yes, oh, we ate Popeyes too. There's Audie.
Here's a cute necklace. The colors were like the purples in the middle and stuff in the blue.
Yeah.
On the other side.
Yeah. She loves Undertale. Alright, so I guess I will catch you guys later. Love you, Mama loves you. Bye, kitties.
You hold the 2 of them, okay, like this.
Everybody's making bracelets.
I'm making another.
I'm gonna put
Oh, Audie's making a...
it's so
cool. I love it.
Boy,
I'm like,
you
wait a
realize how
second.
much
Why is it
trouble
okay? I'm
you
just
get into?
waiting for mom.
You didn't cut it. You didn't cut it.
No, PJ, wait, I'll give you one, okay? I'll give you one that's already cut.
somewhere I know it.
Da, da, da.
I think I've seen enough.
Plus I'm making a messy bun hat.
Yeah.
They love each other.
They were not a
That's
match.
true love.
Darn you computers and other stuff.
We'll try our best to play the game and participate, but this is like way deeper than all of this.
Too real to just like give up.
What the frick, darn you?
Taylor and Andre were not a match. Are you the one? That's it. They were not a match.
I'm so upset. Darn TV. Computers don't know if people are matches.
We can't go on.
Yeah.